Stay with me.
Hello guys, it's me Ninja and welcome to my new video. So hope you guys can enjoy the video. So if you do, hit the like button and comment whatever you like. So with that, let's start today's video with the first anime on our list. My teen romantic comedy Snafu. In this anime story, our main character, he is a loner and he is proud of that. Our hero, he likes to stay alone, far away from groups and popular guys and girls. So one day, as a punishment or to cure his behavior, one of his teacher forced him to join a service club. In this club, he meets our heroine for the first time. Like our main character, our heroine is also alone, but for an entirely different reason. Now, in this club, they're gonna start helping other students. So, with that, something gonna change between our hero and heroine. To find out, you have to watch the anime. So the next anime I'm gonna talk about is Hagani. In this anime story, our main character just transferred into a new high school, but because of his unusual hair color, everyone thinks he is a delinquent. That's why he never really managed to make any friends in this high school. So one day, he saw one of his classmates talking to herself. So our hero was trying to ignore that, but that girl, our heroine in this anime, she had a different plan. So she made a club and forced our main character to join the club. In this club, they're gonna learn how to make friends. A lot of other girls gonna start joining this club. With that, it's gonna be a fun, entertaining story. So the next anime I'm gonna talk about is Suki Kagire. So this anime story, it's about a high school couple getting together and their kinda sweet relationship. So in this anime, our main character and our heroine, both of them are really shy. So they were in a same class, but they never managed to talk to each other. So after in this anime story, there are few encounters between them happened here and there. Our main character also tried to help our heroine in few cases. And that's how the shy characters finally managed to get into a relationship. But because of their nature, they can't really describe their emotion completely. That's why while in this relationship, they have to learn how to do all of that. So this anime story, it's all about them and their kinda love, hate and sweet relationship. So it's a pretty good one and definitely worth watching. So the next anime I'm gonna talk about is Anohana. In this anime story, our main character used to be pretty good friends with few of the guys and girls on his childhood. But one of the girls died from their group. After that, all of them got separated. So now, starting in this anime, that deceased girl, our heroine in this anime, her ghost started appearing in front of our main character. So that's why our main character is trying to get close to his childhood friends again. He thinks that's the way to release our heroine's ghost. So in this anime story, there are quite a few complicated things going on, quite a few complicated romantic relationships going on. They also kinda blame each other for our heroine's death. Because of that, it's kinda hard for them to get close again, become friends. So now, how our main character gonna get the group together? Will our heroine gonna set free someday? For to know that, you have to watch the anime. So it's a really good anime, really emotional one. So try it out. So the next anime I'm gonna talk about is Just Because. So starting in this anime, our hero came back to his hometown again and started attending the high school there. So our hero used to live in the city before his parents got transferred. So now he is back and he meets one of his best friend in the school again. And other than that, our hero used to love a girl in his childhood and he meets that girl in this high school again. And he found out that his feelings for that girl haven't gone yet. So now our hero is still trying to get close to that girl. But in the meanwhile, our other heroine have kind of fallen for our hero. So other than our hero's relationship in this anime, you will able to see our hero's best friend's relationship too. But as for them, they don't really have much time left in the school. So they are in third year, so they're gonna graduate soon. So after graduation, they might not see each other ever again. So whatever our main character does, he have to do it first. So it's a good romance anime, you could try it out. So the next anime I'm gonna talk about is Golden Time. In this anime story, something happened with our main character. Because of that, he lost all of his past memories. Starting in this anime, our main character moved to a different town and started attending a college. There he meets our heroine for the first time. As for our heroine in this anime, she is kinda obsessed with boyfriends. So whenever she got a boyfriend, she got super attached with him. So now she is with our main character. So what's gonna happen with them? That's one part of the story. Other than that, our main character also gonna start regaining his old memories. Whenever that happened, he forgot all of his present self. So now how that gonna affect him and his romantic life? For to know that, you have to watch the anime. So the next anime I'm gonna talk about is Wandering Sun. In this anime story, our kinda heroine on her school, everyone talks about that she is the prettiest girl in the school. But as for her, she really is a boy. And on the other hand, our hero, he have a similar thing that everyone thinks he is a guy but he really is a girl. So now, after finding out about each other, they became friends from childhood, started sharing lot of things between each other. So now, starting in this anime, they gonna start attending a high school, started making new friends. So now, how their appearance gonna make it difficult for them, how they gonna go through school, how they gonna face everyone, that's the story all about. So yeah, it's a really good one and definitely worth watching. So the next anime I'm gonna talk about is Anonymous Noise. In this anime story, our hero and heroine used to be friends from childhood. So they always like to stay together, always sing together. But one day, for some reason, our main character moved away without saying anything to our heroine. So after that, our heroine is kinda searching for our main character for a long time. So on that time, our heroine meets another guy. After little bit of things happen between them, our second main character fall in love with our heroine. So now, starting in this anime, our heroine is in high school and there she meets our second main character. Not only our second main character, our first main character also in this high school. So now, after finding that out, what our heroine gonna do? To find out, you have to watch the anime. So the next anime I'm gonna talk about is Kokoro Connect. So this anime story is about 5 students in a high school. So they didn't manage to find a specific club as their interest. So that's why 5 of them joined together and made their own club. So their somewhat club was going well for them until one day 2 of them just switched their bodies for a short period of time. So at first they didn't think much of it, but it kept happening randomly among 5 of them. Soon they realized it's not all fun and games. So when they switched bodies, they started to discover hidden secrets about each other's, like their romantic interest and stuff. So in this anime, one of the girls like our main character and our main character likes her too. But 2 of the girls in this club also have feelings for him and few other complicated romantic stuff. So now all of this out in the open, their club and their friendship too in the brink of falling apart. So it's a really good supernatural romance anime and you should definitely check this one out. So the next anime I'm gonna talk about is Love and Lies. In this anime story, marriage is decided by government in their high school life. That's why in this anime, no one fall in love with each other. But as for our main character in this anime, he really likes a girl from his childhood. So now they are in high school and that girl, our heroine in this anime, finally decided to return his feelings. After that, they started enjoying their romantic life. But on that time, our main character's marriage has been decided with someone else. So now, our main character in a tricky situation, he is supposed to marry a girl, but he likes another girl. So what he gonna do? To find all of that out, you have to watch the anime. So that's all of the animes I'm gonna showcase in this video. Hope you guys found something good to watch and see you in the next one.